Hello and welcome my dear friends. This is your maths class, and in today's class we will do some word problems from the chapter Subtraction. Okay, uh, before that I just want to clear these things. You don't have to do exercise 4E. Okay, don't do exercise 4E, and besides that you need to do all the exercises. So let's start exercise 4F word problem. So I have already written on the board the question. Dolly sold 450 flowers on Saturday. Full stop. C sold 695 flowers on Sunday. So the real question is, how many more flowers did Dolly sell on Sunday? So you can see the number of flowers that were sold on Saturday. So let me write Saturday. The number of flowers were sold 450, right? Now on Sunday, the number of flowers that were sold is 695. As you see that this number, as you compare these two numbers, you can see 695 is bigger number, right? Which means on Sunday Dolly sold more number of flowers. You can see on Sunday Dolly sold more number of flowers. Now how many more numbers did Dolly sell on Sunday? That you need to find out. Okay, so it is clear. You need to do in this way. Bigger number 695, then 450 minus. When you do this sums, let me do 5 minus 0 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 245 you got here. Now according to the question, you need to find out how many more flowers did Dolly sell on Sunday, because we know that on Sunday Dolly sold more number of flowers as compared to Saturday, right? So here Dolly sold 245 more flowers on Sunday. Dolly sold 245 more flowers on Sunday than Saturday. You don't have to write this, because you don't have to worry about this sentences. Okay, you just do these sums. So whatever the answer you get, number you get, so these are the more flowers that Dolly sold on Sunday. Okay, this is how you need to do. You need to understand the question and what it is actually asking. Okay, let's do the next number. Okay, now the second question is, a farmer had 360 oranges. He had, okay, he sold, and then he sold 155 oranges. Earlier he had total number of 360 oranges, and after that he sold 155 oranges. Now the question is, how many oranges were left? By now it is very much clear to you that you need to always subtract from bigger number to smaller number, right? So you need to write bigger number always at the top. So it is like 360 minus 155. Earlier he had total number of 360 oranges, and after that he sold 155 oranges. Now how many were left? Let us do, or let us find out. Now 0 minus 5 it's not possible, you need to borrow a number. It will be 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Now here which number is left? 5 in tens place. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then 100 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Now how much you got? 205. Now this 205 are number of oranges that were left. Okay, this 205 numbers are the total number of oranges that were left after selling this many oranges from this. Okay, so this is also easy. Alright, so let's move on to next question. Okay, so this question number 3 is same like question number 1. So you can do by referring question number 1. So this 3 number. Okay, so let us do number 4 question. So in the number 4 question, the question is Bobby and his father have traveled 318 kilometers. So Bobby and his father have traveled 380 kilometers. They are taking a trip, a 700 kilometer trip. So the question is, how much farther have they to travel? Now Bobby and his father traveled. They have already traveled. Okay, how many kilometer or how much kilometer? 318 kilometers. They have already traveled, but they are taking. Actually, they have to cover total number of 700 kilometers, because they are taking trip of 700 kilometers. But here, for now, let us assume for now they have traveled only 380 kilometers for now, but they have to travel 700 kilometers altogether. Okay, so you can see 700 is bigger number and 318 is smaller. Let us do the sums. Sorry, 100, tens, ones. Okay, now let me write 700 first, which is bigger number, and 318 down. Okay, when you minus or subtract these two numbers, the number which you get, you will get the answer for this question. What is the question? How much farther have they to travel? Now again, how much farther they have to travel? Okay, now because they have traveled till now, they have traveled only 318 kilometers. Okay, now let's do the sums. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow a number. 10 minus 8 is. Now here also there is a twist. Now for ones place you need to borrow a number from tens place. Now in tens place also you can see there is 0. So you need to borrow a number from 100 place first. You need to see the number, because you cannot borrow number from 0, right? So first borrow here, and it will be 10, and now from 10 you can give one number. Okay, now from 10 you can give the number. You can borrow, now you can borrow number from tens place. Okay, so if you borrow number from tens place, it will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now earlier it was 10, here it was 10. Now we have given the number from tens to ones. Now which number is left? 9. Please, you need to be careful while doing this kind of sums. Now 9 is left. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. Now already borrowed number, so it is only 6. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. Here, answer. Now 382 kilometer more they have to travel to reach this final destination. Okay, they have to travel 382 more kilometer in order to reach their destination or destiny, which is 700 kilometer trip. Okay, so this is your answer. 382 more farther they have to travel. Okay, so just focus on this, and then here borrowing, while borrowing the numbers, be careful. Okay, now let's do another one.